How to install Termux via Kali NetHunter APK. First, you need to download the Kali NetHunter APK from the official website. Go to the Kali NetHunter downloads page and select the appropriate version for your device. Once downloaded, make sure the APK file is stored in a safe location on your device. Before you can install the Kali NetHunter APK, you need to enable the installation of unknown apps on your Android device. To do this, go to your device's settings, then security, and then toggle on the option to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Once you've enabled the installation of unknown apps, open the Kali NetHunter APK file that you downloaded. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, you should see the Kali NetHunter app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Open the app to launch the Kali NetHunter interface. Install Termux. From within the Kali NetHunter app, navigate to the Apps tab and select Termux from the list of available apps. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install Termux on your device. Once Termux is installed, you can find the Termux app icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. With Termux installed via Kali NetHunter APK, you can now access a wide range of Kali Linux tools and packages on your Android device. To get started, simply launch Termux and begin running Linux commands and packages as you would on a Linux system.